Okay, hi, good day all. So today we'll be doing January 2023, number one, the fractions question that they gave us, which is part two. So this question says 3 and 3 over 8 divided by open bracket 5 over 12 plus 1 over 3. And they said give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. Now, whenever we have to do a mixed operation in fractions like this, we always follow BODMAS. So as soon as you see a fractions question like this, a fractions question with mixed operations like this, we write the word BODMAS. So BODMAS tells us the order in which we would carry out to complete the question. So they tell us we have to do brackets first. So we look at the question, we see that there's brackets. So therefore we have to do 5 over 12 plus 1 over 3 first. Now, when we are adding fractions, we look to see if your denominator is the same or different. Because they are different, we have to find something called LCM. So we find the LCM of 3 and 12, right? And the numbers that are going outside here must be prime numbers. The smallest prime number that could go into at least 1 is 2. So 2 could go into 12 6 times. 2 cannot go into 3, so you bring down the 3. 2 could go into 6, so we're going to use 2 again. 2 into 6, 3. 2 into 3 cannot, so you bring down the 3. So 2 cannot go into 3, so we go along with the another prime number. The next prime number that is after 2 is 3. We ask ourselves if 3 could go into these numbers. They can, so you're going to use 3. So 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 3, 1. So we know that once we get 1, 1 at the end, we know that the LCM will be you multiply the prime numbers outside here. So it's going to be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So our LCM here, lowest common multiple, is 12. Then we are going to compare our denominators of the fraction with our LCM. So you're going to ask yourself, the denominator of the first fraction is 12. 12 could go into 12 how many times? 12 could go into 12 one time. So you multiply your numerator of that fraction by 1. So 5 by 1 is 5. Then you're going to have plus. 3 could go into 12 4 times. So you're going to multiply the numerator of that fraction by 4. So 1 4 is 4. So now we have 5 plus 12, which is equals to 9 over 12. And we know that 9 over 12 can be reduced some more. 9 over 12 can be reduced to what number could go into 9 and 12? 3. 3 could go into 9 3 times. 3 could go into 12 4 times. So this would be 3 over 4. So we know that this bracket is 3 over 4. So now the question is 3 and 3 over 8 divided by 3 over 4. So we're going to go, all right? So it's going to be 3 and 3 over 8 divided by the answer we got was 3/4. And we know that we cannot divide a mixed number like this. It must be in the form A over B. So we have to convert that mixed number into an improper fraction. So let's write it in pink. 3 and 3 over 8 can be converted to an improper fraction by multiplying the whole number, which is 3, by a denominator. So 3 by 8 is 8 3s are 24, and then 24, and then you're going to add that 3 as then you're going to add your numerator. So 24 plus 3 is 24, 25, 26, 27. So it's going to be 27 all over 8. So this question now becomes 27 all over 8 divided by 3 over 4. And we know when we are dividing fractions, that division sign will turn into a multiplication sign, and your fraction after is converted. So is flipped. So instead of 3 over 4, it's going to be 4 over 3. So we compare our numerators and our denominators. Can any number go into 27 and 8 exactly without, could any number go into 27 and 8 without leaving a remainder? No. What about 27 and the next denominator, 3? Yes, 3 could go into 3, 1, and 3 could go into 27, 9. Then we look at 8 and 4. Yes, 4 could go into 4 and 8 could go into 4. So we're going to say 4 into 4, 1. 8 into 4, 2. So the answer now is 9 over 2, which can be voted 9 over 2 is 2 could go into 9 4 times, right? and your remainder is 1/2. So your answer will be 4.5. Right? And that is the end of January 2023, the fractions question that they gave us.